Hi, in this video I will show you how you can crop a picture or element or even a video using Canva. And I have this picture that is basically rectangular while the canvas was square. It's for an Instagram post. So I want to crop this picture to be more square, to be exactly a 1:1 ratio. And to do that, there are two methods you can try. First, you can click on the image and then click edit image, and then you can select crop. Here I can select the aspect ratio to be 1:1. You can also select, let's say, 16:9, 9:16, and many other aspect ratios option. But for this tutorial, I'm going to select 1:1. So the idea of that selection is essentially will ensure that whatever you do, you will always get this 1:1 ratio. You can adjust this anchor point, but it's always retain its aspect ratio. So that is something that I really want to have. And when you're done, you can click done. And by the way, you can also use the smart crop feature, which essentially will read the content and then try to figure out what is the best element to show according to whatever available in the picture. But from my experience, this feature never get it right, so I always manually crop my image. After that, you can click done and we have this result. So I can expand this image, and now I have a perfect 1:1 photo on my document. But there is also another method, which is maybe not for everyone, especially if you are a beginner on Canva, but if you have been using this software a lot, then you will find this method even better. So instead of not having to manually to navigate to the crop menu, I can just use this picture. I don't know what is the name of this feature, but I think it's safe to say this is called an anchor point. So you can click, you can click and drag it anywhere you like, and you can maintain size and maintain the content that you want to preserve. So to make it easier, to make sure that I will get the perfect aspect ratio 1:1, I'm going to just expand the size of this picture and I will just crop it manually. It happened to be invisible, so that's why it's actually not necessary doing this thing anymore. But yeah, just to make sure that my document look pretty and keeps everything organized, I'm going to just crop the element that is unused. So there you have it. But if you are cropping the other way, which is this way, there is nothing there, so the image will naturally just get bigger to compensate with the new area that you want to create, or the new size that you want to have. So that's basically how you can crop an image or any other element on Canva.